One of the biggest problems with large tables is that it's often hard to find and extract the data you need. What you need is a way to define the data that you want to work with and then have Excel display only those records on screen. This is called filtering your data. And Excel offers several techniques that get the job done. Excel filter features makes filtering out subsets of your data as easy as selecting an option from a drop-down list. As easy as selecting an option from a drop-down list. When you convert a range to a table, Excel automatically turns on the filter feature, which you see drop-down arrows in the cells containing the table's column labels. Clicking one of these arrows displays a table of all the unique entries in the column. There are two basic techniques you can use in a filter list. Deselect an item's checkbox to hide that item in the column, which deselects all the checkbox, and then click to select the checkbox for each item you want to see in the table. Suppose I check this box. Click OK. When I filter the column, the filter icon is appear on the right side of the column, and it shows only the checkbox record. The other records are hidden and can be retrieved whenever needed. To continue filtering the data, I can select an item from one of the other tables. For example, I could select a month from the due date list to see only the invoices due within that month. When I filter the table, there are three things to notice about. Excel reminds you that the table is filtered on a particular column by adding a funnel icon to the column's drop-down list button. I can also see the exact filter by hovering the mouse over the filter column's drop-down list. I can see here Excel displays a banner that tells you the filter criteria. Excel also displays a message in the status bar. Total number of records it filtered. The items I see in each drop-down table are called the filter criteria. Click on Filter button, then click on Clear Filter from Account Number. Besides selecting specific criteria, Excel also offers a set of quick filters that enable you to apply specific criteria. The quick filters you see depend on the data type of the field, but in each case, you assess them by pulling down a field's filter drop-down list. Click this arrow button. As in this column there are only text value, Excel table shows only text filters criteria. This command appears when you are working with a text field. It displays a sub-menu of filters that includes equals, does not equal, begins with, and extra. As in this column, all field values are numbers. Click this button. Excel table shows number filters criteria. It displays a sub-menu of filters that includes equals, does not equal, greater than or equal to, and extra. As this column has all field values in date, click this arrow button. Then table shows date filters criteria, and in the sub-menu list, it shows many options. For example, click custom filter. I am going to filter date. Click this arrow button. These are basically operator. I select this operator. Then click date values. Scroll down. Select this date. When I click OK, Excel table will show only those values that are after or equal to this date. Click OK. Excel table shows only date values after the selected date values.